Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can set up a enrollment duration for the self-enrollment method on your Moodle site. The self-enrollment method is one of the most widely used enrollment methods in Moodle, which allows the users to enroll themselves in the Moodle courses where this self-enrollment method is set up by the teacher. By default, this self-enrollment method comes with unlimited duration so that if a user is enrolled once by using this self-enrollment method, he will remain enrolled for unlimited duration. So now in this screencast, we will see how you can specify a duration for this self-enrollment method on your Moodle site as the admin. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you are logged in as the site admin, and once you are logged in, then go to this site admin link. And then go to the plugins tab and scroll down till you see this enrollments, and here under the enrollments plugin, you need to click on this self-enrollment. Now here on this self-enrollment plugin page, you can see the default settings which are set up for this enrollment method, and these settings will be applicable on all different courses where this self-enrollment method will be used. I will leave all the settings as default for the time being, and I will scroll down until I see this enrollment duration. So as you can see that it is set to 0 days, which means that this enrollment duration will be unlimited by default. So now let me say that I would like to give an access of 52 weeks from the enrollment date for my students. So I will just enter 52 here, and in the next field I will expand this drop down and select weeks. So now this will give a access of 1 year for the user if he is using this self-enrollment method in one of my Moodle courses. And then just scroll down and click the Save Changes button. So this is how you can set up the default duration for the self-enrollment method on your Moodle site as the admin. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon on our YouTube channel. And if you faced any problem while following this screencast, please don't forget to put your thoughts in the comments section below. I will be happy to answer all the comments back. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.